Hi everyone, it's the weekend, so you know what it means. It's time to reset. In this vlog, I'm going to take you along with me as I reset and recharge for the upcoming week. So let's get started. So the agenda for today is actually to do nothing, because I strongly believe that it is very important to actually just chill and do nothing sometimes. And today is just about relaxing and going with the flow. So let's start with the morning routine. The first thing I like to do when I wake up is to clean my bed. I have always been a very messy person, but this year I decided to change that. So now when I wake up, I like to clean my bed and keep the other things back to its place. And while I'm doing this, I like to listen to different podcasts, also have some chai. Clean surroundings can promote productivity and motivation, and a cluttered or dirty environment can be distracting and overwhelming, which leads to decreased productivity and efficiency. And I totally agree with it. I always used to defend myself saying that I'm just a little unorganized, but I know my mess. I know where my things are. This year I decided to focus on myself, on my physical as well as mental health. And I believe good sleep has a major role in that. Good sleep helps the body repair and regenerate. Also, it can improve your mood, reduce your stress, increase productivity and creativity. And that's when I came across this cooling gel memory foam pillow from the White Pillow. They specialize in sleep and comfort-based solutions. Crafted with scientific research and design skills, they use environment-friendly material. This pillow gives you refreshing sleep and comfort and is also available in different sizes. Made with non-toxic and responsibly sourced material, it is gentle to your skin, and if you have medical conditions like cervical pain, then this might help you. But obviously, don't forget to consult your doctor. It is made of premium quality cooling foam gel, available in different sizes. Also, if you buy it today, you will get warranty for 1 whole year, and this is one product that I would highly recommend as it has actually improved my sleep quality. I'm ready for some self-care time. This is again a new addition to my routine, but I have recently started doing my skincare. And trust me, it has been a game changer. I mean, I can just feel the change from within. I have been quite ignorant about skincare in general, but this year I have educated myself about that a lot. Now I know what is retinol, niacinamide, vitamin C, and all that jazz. Moving on, now it's time for decluttering. Now that I'm feeling relaxed, it's time to declutter. I'm going to go through my closet and get rid of any clothes I no longer wear or that don't fit me anymore. Then I'm also going to tidy up my desk and do some light cleaning. After decluttering, I like to spend some time watching a new show or a movie. So currently I'm watching You, and this show is so crazy. And if you love watching thrillers, I mean, what are you waiting for? I initially planned to watch just one episode, that is the 8th episode, but I ended up finishing the whole season. So that didn't go according to plan. After this, I went for my Zumba class because I feel it is very important to stretch and do light exercises every day. If not every day, at least 5 times a week. Another very important thing is making a weekly plan. I have realized few things can't be planned, but most of it can be, and planning just simplifies the process. I like to note down things and make a weekly to-do list, and I generally use the Notes app and the Google Calendar. As the day winds down, I like to take some time to reflect on the week and set intentions for the upcoming one. I write it in my journal and make a to-do list for the next week. This helps me feel organized and prepared for what's to come next. Thanks for joining me for the Weekend Reset vlog. I hope this gave you some ideas for how to reset and recharge for the next week ahead. See you in the next one.